Hey, if you are using the HUAWEI Watch Fit SE and you want to change your straps, that's quite simple. So take a look. Right here on the left and the right side, you can find this plastic part. And when you remove it, it looks like this actually. You will be able to remove your strap. So how to do this? Let me show you on this one. So I can recommend you to use thin item. In my case, I'm using this knife, and I'm gently putting this knife right here in this empty space. And now when you do this, hold your watch and then gently raise this plastic part. Do this slowly, and as you can see right now, it is not sticking anymore with this plastic part, so we can use our fingernails and gently take it off. And now you can pull this strap out of your watch. So that's how it looks. If you want to put them back, that's also quite easy. So you have to do this like this. First put left one and input this plastic part. So I'm gonna bend this strap, and just to show you step by step how to properly do this. So in this position, into our strap, and then gently press on it, and do the same with the second one. So input it right here, bend it, and then input just right here. It's really small piece of the plastic, so it's not that easy for someone with the big hands, but I guess you will be able to do this. There we go. So as you can see, that's all, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.